As much profit can be made from Forex, or many have profited, it also has its opposite side. That is failure. Many fail and lose. There are some major reasons for this, but it is also normal that not everyone gets success everywhere. Those who have more knowledge are more likely to succeed. However, many things should be kept in mind before coming to Forex, and several things should be thought of before coming, because it is a risky business. So first of all, those who are thinking of starting Forex trading should keep some things in mind at the beginning. Many are scamming using Forex, for which many people are facing huge losses, because everyone knows what frauds do. They use different methods to steal people's money by showing different lures. We will tell you that, and this video is to make you aware, so keep watching the video. I am an official member of Forex BD. I hope you all are well. In today's video, we will have one topic, and that is how to stay free from scams. For this, you need to keep some things in mind and act accordingly. Today we will highlight everything. Hope you stay with us. So those things are: first, do not come to Forex by seeing any kind of advertising or money-making temptation. First, know the details about the Forex, then enter here. Do not trade Forex because of the temptation of extra profits. Remember, greed is the cause of destruction. Avoid buying any particular type of robot. Remember that the Forex market is not controlled by anyone. If a robot works as such a good guide, then you would be the richest person in the world. Stay away from 100% guaranteed profit, because there is no such thing as 100% in Forex. Before taking Forex-related courses in different institutes, check about them. Remember that you will get the most success if you learn by yourself rather than learning from others. No matter where you take the course, do your own research first and then start working. For safety, do not share your trading account ID and password with anyone else. Many times we don't pay attention to email while logging our email on others' mobile. It is a serious threat to your security, because the email with which you opened the account contains a lot of information, even your ID, password, server, everything. So keep the email as safe as your account. If you ever sell your mobile, then reset it and then sell it, so that there is no information. Be careful before buying or selling Neteller or Skrill. It is best to make them yourself instead of buying them. More importantly, there are now many famous brokers who are offering deposit withdrawals through banks, so troublesome payment gateways like Neteller are no longer needed these days. You can deposit at home through the bank. Contact our official WhatsApp for local deposit. You will be assisted in the deposit of your choice for free. Don't invest unknowingly. Don't do what you don't understand. We have said many times about this subject that it is better to depend on one's own and earn less than to depend on others. To become a good trader, there is no option but practice. The more you know, the more you can learn. So expand your curiosity. For real trading, understand and do demo trade first. Never trade real without demo trading. After doing demo trading, practice with a cent account for a few days so that you get rid of psychological problems. Never provide wrong information to open a trading account. By doing this, you will put yourself in danger. Before trading with a particular broker, know about that broker first, and if you do not understand, contact the support of that broker, or you can check out our broker review to learn more. Do not trade on others' decisions. To be a good trader, you need to be self-reliant. Don't trade by looking at others. Analyze yourself, review yourself, and trade yourself. One thing I want to remind you who are new to this channel or still don't subscribe to this channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to never miss any update. Above all, I will make a request to you: never be tempted by money or come to Forex by being encouraged by others. It is a risky business, so you need to know about Forex beforehand and whether it goes with your sentiments. In Forex trading, you need to be patient, have the tendency to accept losses, and have the courage to take risks. It is all like business. If you don't have these habits in place, no matter how many strategies you learn, you're likely to suffer and never see success. I hope you understand today's video.
We will make a request to you wherever you create an account, broker house, or payment gateway. You must use the Forex BD's link. This will keep your account safe at all times. You will be able to participate in any type of contest. You will have the opportunity to trade in 0 pips spread. So be sure to account under the link given below. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, because your likes and comments give us confidence to do something better. And if you have any suggestions, you can leave a comment so that Forex BD can meet your needs all the time.